The materials required are colored paper of any 2 shades. Here I am using yellow and green, scissors, Fevicol, ruler, pencil and a piece of cardboard. Cut 5 yellow sheets and 4 green sheets into 10 into 30 cm measurements. Put a pencil in the corner of the sheet and roll it in this way. Now remove the pencil and roll it manually. By rolling the paper with the help of a pencil in the beginning, it becomes easy to roll the paper manually. Secure the roll using Fevicol. Cut the roll from this point using a scissor. Now mark at 1.5 cm. Take this mark point as 0 and mark at 8 cm, 16 cm and 24 cm. Using a ruler, press at these marked points. Using a scissor, cut at 24 cm. Add glue in the hole. Now tuck this into the hole. Make 4 more triangles in yellow and 4 green triangles. In total we have 5 yellow and 4 green triangles. Trace this triangle on a cardboard and cut it. Take the help of an adult for this step. Trace the cardboard piece on a green sheet and cut the triangle, leaving some space. Stick the cardboard on the green sheet. Using a scissor, cut at right angles to the cardboard. We have made 5 triangles of yellow and 4 triangles of green. So we will start with the yellow triangle. Paste the yellow triangle first and then the green triangle in such a way that it makes a star. Observe carefully. Apply glue at these points and then paste the yellow triangle, then green triangle and then yellow, and so on until the last piece. Our pen holder is ready for use. I hope this online hobby class proves to be fruitful for you all. Thank you and happy crafting.